Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can prevent your phone from automatic hard resetting for wrong pattern attempts. Sometimes, when other persons put wrong patterns 15 times or more, your phone will go into automatic hard resetting, and everything will be erased. So you will lose all data. So to prevent this, you have to make sure that some settings should be turned off. See here, I am going to settings now first, and click on lock screen, and click on secure lock settings, and draw the pattern for authentication. And here there is one option, auto factory reset. If it is turned on, then your phone will be in dangerous, because after 15 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings, and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. What dangerous! So by accidentally, if you turned on this, and if you put lock screen, and if you hand over your phone to others or your child, if they don't know your pattern, if they put pattern incorrectly up to 15 times, if they tried 15 times, then what will happen? Automatically your phone will go to resetting, hard resetting or factory resetting, because this setting is turned on. So you got to make sure that this button is turned off. Now it will not go to auto factory reset even after 15 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone. So be careful about this, and always check out this feature, and make sure that this feature is turned off. Then you can surely hand it over to other person to keep your phone until you get it. Okay, so be careful about it, and prevent your phone from auto factory reset. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.